guys, so I'm Alexia and we are back with another makeup video. I know I posted one already and I'm trying to be really diverse with the things I post on YouTube, but I got some new products the other day and I really wanted to try them out on camera. So we're gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you guys my honest review on a lot of these products. Some of them I can't really use, but I can still tell you how I feel about them. So I'm just gonna show you all the products that I got. So the first thing is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I really loved the colors that they have in this one. This is the collection of colors they have. It's very pink, warm tone. I really like it. I love pinks and purples, so I think I'm gonna enjoy using this. But I got this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I really like the texture of this. I have tried some of these products before, just so you know, but some of them I haven't, so you're going to be getting my honest reaction. So this one, it just looks like this. You can see I've used it. It just makes your skin super glowy and nice. I like it a lot. Then I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells like coconut. It has this little compartment in the bottom that comes with an applicator, which I think is pretty cool because it's not just a regular brush applicator. It's this weird spongy one. I got this concealer, which is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution again. This one is pretty similar, I think, comparable to the Maybelline concealer that I really like. You can see, yeah, I have used it. You can see it's not exactly clean. They have a similar applicator too, but I do really like this one. I think that it goes on very smoothly. I like it. Then I got this NYX highlight and contour stick. One end looks like that. That's the contour end. I got it in the lightest color because clearly I'm very light. And this is the highlight. Then I got this, which is another Makeup Revolution product. I got quite a few because I've never tried them before, so I really wanted to get into it. I really like their packaging. It's really pretty. I just really need a new highlighter, honestly. The one that I have is super old and probably expired, to be honest. This one's super pigmented, I find, but it's very pretty. I like the packaging. So yeah. And then these products, these 4 products I have left are all lip products, so of course I can't wear them all at once, but I decided to still get them all and I'll try one for you. So I think I'm gonna try this one because this is one of those ones that was really popular on TikTok a while ago. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put on the actual lip color first and then put this weird gloss on top. I'm not really sure how it works, but we're gonna find out today. And then I got this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color Reef. Looks like this. I've heard really good things about this one too. I got this Milani lip color because I really like the packaging. That's the only reason I got it, but it is the color Lustful. I've already used it a few times and I really like the color. It goes on really smoothly. And then last but not least, another Makeup Revolution product. This is called Pout Balm and it's a plumping lip gloss. I've tried it before. It does tingle a little bit, but I don't find it makes much of a difference. But it is a nice lip gloss. Those are all the products that I got a couple days ago. I spent a good amount of money on them, so I decided I would, make the most of it by making a YouTube video for you guys, trying it all out. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so as always, I want to start with moisturizing my face. If there's any makeup products that you guys want me to try in the future, let me know. Leave them in the comments. I can try it out for you guys. I'm willing to put a little bit of money into makeup because I am someone who's training to be a makeup artist. So the first product I'm using today is the primer because that goes on first. So you can see it's a lot more shiny on one side of my face. So I'm gonna use this contour stick and I'm gonna use it first and then kind of diffuse it by putting foundation on top. Okay, so now I look like this. So I'm blending it out with the brush. Alright, so I'll blend it out. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more contour. So now I'm contoured up. And the next thing I'm moving on to is concealer. So you see, like it blends out really smoothly. Obviously it looks better on camera than in person because your skin does have natural texture and that's always gonna poke through. Because makeup is never gonna make your skin seamless. It's always just gonna sit on the skin. I'm doing my makeup today for something. I know last time I got ready for literally nothing. This time I'm getting ready for work, and if you guys didn't know, I work from home. My job is not a traditional job. A few months ago I was working at retail, and now I work in the online world. You know, during COVID, like, times are so weird, so I kind of became an online sex worker, which I know is really taboo. It's like a subject that people don't really like talking about. Honestly, I'm completely fine with it. Whenever friends ask me like what I'm doing with my life, I don't lie to them. I tell them the truth. I'm also not gonna hide it from you guys because I have my Linktree linked to this account, and you can find all my, like, all of my social media, and you can find my OnlyFans account, like, all that's in the Linktree. I just wanted to do this as like something extra. I love makeup and I love YouTube, and I want to reach a different kind of audience here than creepy men on the internet. You know what I mean? My cat was like meowing so sadly at the door. Oh, this is my baby. Her name's Nala. I have another one named Mochi who is also meowing at the door now. The face makeup is complete, and she's set with powder. Alright, so the next part I'm using is also just another product that I did not buy, which is just a brow product. Alright, now it's time for the eye makeup. I have no plan as far as the look I want to make. I know that I want to use some like pink colors. Whatever it is gonna be, I'm gonna start with a base. The color Official is right here, because it's just like kind of a base color, I think, but it's also got a pinkish tone, so I'm gonna just cover my eyelid with that. I want to do like this color, so it's definitely a brighter pink. I want to put that on the outside and do kind of like the purple color right below it on the inside. So far I like this product a lot, actually. I think it's pretty pigmented. Like, that was like, you saw that was like one swipe of the color. So I definitely think, you know, this is really pigmented. Plus, I don't know if you can even see that, but there's no fallout, which is like, I used this the other day for the first time and I was so impressed, because even like really good products, like really good eyeshadows, will have like fallout. Okay, so the next color I'm using is the Love Potion color, that purple color that I showed you before. I'm not gonna show you again because that's annoying. So I'm just gonna switch the brushes. and see how this purple applies to the inner corner. I think what I want to do now is I'm gonna add like a tinge of like the really bright pink. You know which one I'm talking about. The one right there. It's called Blushes. Just a little bit. So the eyeliner I'm using is black eyeliner, ink liner by Kat Von D. Honestly, first try, not bad. So now it's time for the lashes. A little better. Should be good, so let's just... Not bad. Alright, my lash look is finally complete. We're almost done. Bear with me. The next step is going to be bronzer. So I'm going to be using this bronzer that I got. This is the blush that I use always. Nothing new there. Highlighters next. So my makeup look is pretty much complete. The only thing that's left is the lips. I just applied some setting spray and this is the finished look. Not horrible. I think everything that I used today has my stamp of approval. Not that that's important because I'm nobody, but I loved every single product that I used today. Anyway, that's it for this video. Wanted to show you guys these new products and what I think of them. I hope you enjoyed this, and as I said before, if you have any makeup products that you think I should try, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thank you to the one person who subscribed. I don't know if you're watching this, but I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching all the way to the end if you made it. I'm Alexia Lavelle, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!